In June of 2010, the City of Tacoma adopted the Urban Forest Policy Element, which establishes a goal of 30% canopy cover by the year 2030. In support of this goal, the Environmental Services Department has led by example through tree plantings in areas of need throughout the City of Tacoma. One of the main ways in which this goal is supported is through the use of the nursery at the City of Tacoma's Recovery and Transfer Center.
Well, several meters below our feet is actually solid waste, which is dumped here by City of Tacoma residents. This waste leaves the land pretty much undevelopable without significant structural inputs into the system. So by being able to turn this into a nursery for the City of Tacoma, we're actually able to reuse the land and recycle it for more productive use.
This facility allows the city to have greater control and understanding of the quality and quantity of plant materials that are being planted throughout the city.
We also are allowed to work with a variety of other organizations who also have similar planting goals, such as Metro Parks Tacoma, the Conservation Corps crews that actually work for a lot of our open space properties. We also have partnerships with the Washington State Department of Transportation, where we're planting on their rights-of-way.
This 2.6-acre nursery gives the city the ability to support its green infrastructure programs and provides these materials at a significantly reduced cost, which in turn permits more ground to be covered in a given year. Programs which are supported through this nursery include urban forestry, rain gardens, and open space capital improvement projects.
The City of Tacoma's open space program goal is a healthy tree canopy. Unfortunately, many of the open spaces in Tacoma are threatened by non-native invasive species like ivy. What ivy does is suffocates the tree, pulls it down, and it really suffocates all the other underlying layers of plants as well.
Before the open space program, this location on M Street was covered in ivy, which has now been cut into ivy rings that acts as a survival ring for the tree. The ivy remains on the tree, dies off, and is removed from the ground so the area can be replanted with native vegetation. This program is not only focusing on a healthy tree canopy, it is also working further with the nursery to propagate native plants for reuse on city projects.
Our open space areas can really be the beginning of new native plants, where we can take an established native plant, take a cutting, grow it, and then put it back onto our restoration areas. Not only is it low in cost, but it preserves the genetic diversity.
There are many benefits to trees. Collectively, these programs and the nursery that supports them helps to provide a unique green infrastructure that, if maintained and cared for, continues to give back to the community.